Welcome to Smart Syllabus students. So as you know, we are already in your SSLC final exam preparation crash course. So in this crash course students, every day we are learning 100% question. Means one question which is 100%, which is definitely going to appear in your final examination. So related to this series only, we have many videos. You can check all those videos in the description link, as well as at the end of the video you can check on your screen a small logo. So with the help of that, even you can find all those videos now. So if you want to get similar videos even in the future, then you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So once you do this, definitely the next video's notification will appear in a mobile phone. Okay, today we'll learn one more 100% question which is there for your final examination. Let's move for that now. So already students, you know that we are dealing with the chapter called coordinate geometry. So in the previous video we studied one important point related to the coordinate geometry. So today let's learn one more 100% question which is going to appear from this topic now. So the points which we are covering under this topic are, first one is nothing but the distance formula. So already related to this we have a video, you can check in the description link. Then we have section formula. So in the section formula today the video is going to be about this now. So today we are going to learn the section formula. After that then we'll be going to learn about nothing but the area of triangle. So today's main focus will be on section formula. Okay, let's see what is the section formula now. Students, as you have already seen in the distance formula, there is a definite one formula is there, that is distance formula is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Similarly, even for the section formula there is a formula. So if you remember the formula, then you can easily solve the questions related to this. So the section formula is, check this one. So this is the section formula students. Section formula is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 the whole divided by m1 plus m2. The second point is m1y2 plus m2y1 the whole divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula. Using this formula we can find out the section formula related sums answer. Okay, let's try how to write this formula now. So the section formula is equal to, first what you do, you write m1 plus m2 the whole divided by m1 plus m2 comma the same way m1 plus m2 the whole divided by m1 plus m2. So isn't it easy just writing m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2 and again m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2. Now right here x2 and here x1, similarly here y2 and here y1. It's over. So the section formula is very easy. So today using this formula only we are going to solve certain sums now. Okay, let's focus on the sums now. Okay students, section formula, under this find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So before solving the sum, first let's understand this sum now. Okay, there is a line which is joining these 2 points. So definitely there is a line now which is joining point -1 7 and one more point 4 minus 3. Now for the line which is joining these 2 points, there is one point somewhere on this line. Say the point is here now. Now this point is dividing the line into 2:3 ratio. So what is the coordinate of this point now? That is asked to find the coordinate. So what we'll do, we'll take this one as x1 y1, this one as x2 y2, this one as m1 and this one as m2, and this coordinate we'll find out. So this is called xy. So we'll try to find out the coordinate of this one. So this is xy. Hope this is clear now how to consider the value. So first write all these values here in the solution part. Okay, in the solution, first x1 y1, x1 y1, it's -1 7, x2 y2, it's nothing but 4 minus 3. Now this 2 and 3, this is nothing but m1 is to m2, the ratio. So this is 2 is to 3, in the sense m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. Now we have to find out xy. So first to make the values clear like this, now write the formula and substitute. Okay, the formula, now section formula is equal to, first what we do, m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2, comma, again m1 plus m2 the whole divided by m1 plus m2, complete the bracket. Now here x2, x1, phi2, phi1. So this is section formula. So these are nothing but two coordinates now. So here we have to write x, phi. Now substitute all the values, you will get the required answer now. Okay, now that's equal to, substitute the values carefully. m1 is 2, x2 is 4, plus m2 is 3, x1 is -1, the whole divided by m1 plus m2, it's 2 plus 3, comma, again here now m1 is 2, y2 is -3, plus m2 is 3, y1 is 7, the whole divided by m1 plus m2, so it's again 2 plus 3, that's equal to, okay, just multiply these now, 2 into 4, it's 8, again plus into minus, 3 into 1, it's 3, divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. Then the second coordinate, plus into minus, 2 into 3, 6, it means it is -6. Now plus 7 3s are 21, the whole divided by 2 plus 3 is again 5. So this is xy, that's equal to 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 5. Now -6 plus 21, both the numbers having different signs, so subtract them. In 21, if you take out 6, it will be 15. Greater number is 21, so it's a sign, in the sense it is plus 15. In the denominator, 5 as it is. If it is possible, divide them. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Similarly here, 5 ones are 5 threes are. So that's equal to, it is 1 upon 1 in the sense it's 1, 3 upon 1 in the sense it's 3. Therefore, the required coordinates are nothing but 1 and 3. Therefore, the coordinates are 1, 3. It's very easy, right? So dear students, one more sum of the same kind we'll take with a little bit different now. So even that kind of sum may be asked in final examination. Okay, let's move for second example. Okay, the second sum is, find the ratio in which the line segments joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So something different sum it is. First, let's understand this one. So there is a line which is having two coordinates. This one is -3, 10 and this one is 6, -8. So the line which is joining these 2 points, somewhere on the point there is one coordinate, say this one. So this is -1, 6. Listen, this is the point now. Now this point is dividing the line in some ratio now. Now we have to find what is the ratio now. So this is m1 and this is m2. In the sense we have to find m1 and m2. So here at least it is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is just xy. So the unknown values are m1 and m2. So let's find out m1 and m2. The solution part. First compare the values. in the beginning x1 y1, it's going to be the first coordinate, that's minus 3 10. Next x2 y2, that's going to be 6 minus 8. And the third one, this is nothing but x y, that's you have to take it as minus 1 6. We have to calculate m1 is to m2. So students, take this one as k is to 1. In the sense, wherever m1 substitute k, wherever m2 substitute 1. So once you substitute this, immediately we can get the value of m1 and m2. Okay, students, first write the section formula. Section formula is x y is equal to, so already we have discussed this one as m1 plus m2 the whole divided by m1 plus m2, comma again m1 plus m2 the whole divided by m1 plus m2. We just complete the formula now. It's x2, it's x1, so here it's y2 and it's y1. So this is the section formula. Let's substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, m1 m2 and xy. Substitute all the values, automatically we get the values of m1 and m2 now. Okay, now xy in the sense it is minus 1 6, that's equal to, inside the bracket, m1 is k, x2 is 6 plus m2 is just 1, x1 is minus 3 the whole divided by m1 plus m2 in the sense it is k plus 1, comma again m1 is k, y2, this time y2 is minus 8 plus m2 is 1, y1 is 10 the whole divided by m1 plus m2 in the sense it is k plus 1, that's equal to, simplify the values now, 6 into k, this is 6k, now plus into minus, 3 into 1, it's 3 the whole divided by k plus 1. Similarly here, plus into minus, 8 into k, it's 8k plus 10 into 1, 10 the whole divided by k plus 1. So this is minus 1 6. Now to find the value of k, in the sense once we get the value of k, automatically we'll get the value of m1 and m2. So to find the value of k, you have two options now, either compare minus 1 and this value, or compare 6 and the second coordinate. So for our easiness, what we do, students, we'll compare minus 1 and the first one. Now minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1. Cross multiply this, so k into minus 1, it's minus k, plus 1 into minus 1, plus into minus, 1 into 1, it's 1, that's equal to 6k minus 3. Now make the k terms one side and the non-k terms other side. So what we'll do now, minus k here, send the 6k this side now, so minus 6k, that's equal to, let the minus 3 be there, send the minus 1 on the other side, so we'll get plus 1, minus k minus 6k, it's going to be minus 7k, that's equal to minus 3 plus 1, both are having different signs, so subtract them, how much we get, minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2, cross multiply minus 7, minus minus get cancels, so we get k is equal to 2 upon 7, in the sense in the denominator of the k, if nothing is there, then it is 1, in the sense it is k is to 1, so it is 2 is to 7, k is to 1 in the sense, students, this is nothing but m1 is to m2, therefore m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. This is the required ratio. So the point minus 1 6 is dividing the given line into 2 is to 7 ratio. You can, so like this you can find the ratios. So there are two kinds of sums, students, in this section using the section formula. Either the point which is dividing the line can be asked, or the ratio in which the point divides the line. So anyone may be asked, so prepare for both. I think both the kind of problems are here for you. Now related to this, we have homework now. So dear students, this is the homework for you now. So we have two sums. One sum is in that two coordinates are there, one and the second one, and for that there is one ratio which is dividing the given line. It means you have to find the third coordinate now. So it means it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it's m1 m2. It means you have to find x and y. Similarly, in the second one, three coordinates are given. You have to find the given ratio. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. This is nothing but just x y. You have to find here m1 and m2. To solve these two sums, in the comment section write a, write x, y, and write the answer of the first one. In the second one, write m1 is to m2, write the second answer. So like this, do reply in the comment section. I'll be waiting for the replies. So without fail, reply in the comment section. So with this video, students, once again we made one more 100% question perfect. So that's related to coordinate geometry, in particularly the section formula. So in the next video, one more particular point related to coordinate geometry will make it more clear. So till then, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and do share these videos with your friends. So we'll meet with one more 100% question in the next video. Till then, study well, study hard.